we have to talk about an incredible setup on him's stock, him's and hers health. We got an amazing cup and handle with high volume confirmation. In this video, I want to go over this setup, talk a little bit about the stock. We definitely do have a lot of hype surrounding it, and I'm going to be comparing it to stocks like Palantir, Sofi. I'll be showing you guys previous setups of the same cup and handle pattern. So I'll be going over a lot technical analysis wise, but we have a lot to go over. If you guys enjoy content like this, make sure to subscribe with notifications on. I'm trying to go for that 10,000 subscribers. Leave a like and make sure to follow me on Instagram. So let's get started. First thing that I want to take a look at is just an overall idea of what the company does. Now keep in mind that this is not going to be a long-term investment. This is going to be a short-term trade. So something like Palantir, SoFi, GameStop, AMC, those fundamentals of the stock are way overvalued, but we can definitely do some short-term trades to profit off of a potential run, potential hype, potential technical analysis breakout. So this looks to be like a pharmaceutical company, and as of right now, we do have some hype surrounding it. If we take a look at, some articles around over here, we have, potential shortages of a drug called Zepbound. So this is very bullish for a pharmaceutical company like Hims and Health. And not only that, we can see that this company is doing amazing as of right now. They're selling generic versions of weight loss, and they're doing incredible sales right now. If we scroll down over here, from this Forbes article, we can see that this company has been doing a lot better. This company was losing $115 million in 2021, but right now it is, losing $29. And from 2021 to where it is right now, we did get, that 4x multiplier, like it followed through with this operating loss. So this is just an overall idea of what this company is. Now I want to take a look at the full-on technical analysis, because this is where it is at. This technical analysis is probably the best that I've seen in a while. We got a bunch of small cap stocks that are running right now, like SoFi over here, which broke out of its downtrend breakout. We have Palantir. We have a bunch of these stocks that have broken out of amazing setups, but we could see that Hims is absolutely looking amazing over here. The first thing that I'm taking a look at on the weekly time frame is a solid cup and handle pattern. Okay, this is clearly a solid. It can't get cleaner than this. We got a triple top over here, $25 being a very critical level. We can see we hit this resistance 3 times. A close above is going to give us amazing confirmation. We did have a previous breakout last week, but it wasn't able to close above. So our first conservative price target is going to be this wick right over here, which is going to be the $30 level. So I'm going to color this in green right over here. This is going to be our first very conservative price target, and we're talking about a solid 24% on shares alone. 24% on shares alone. The stop loss is going to be below $25. So for a stock like this, we need to be above $25 over here. If we take a look at the daily time frame, again, it just looks absolutely amazing. Another solid cup and handle. We could see that this is a massive level of resistance. We have this gap going on. We have this first price target, but we just have to be above $25 for us to be bullish on Hims and her stock. Okay, that is going to be the key thing right over here. The second thing that I want to talk about here is, and I don't think people are realizing this because I've seen, charts of these all around Twitter and X, but take a look at this volume over here. Okay, this volume is looking absolutely incredible right over here. This volume is everything. Okay, I'm going to be comparing it to a bunch of other stocks, but before I talk about the volume, I want to take a look at previous examples of this cup and handle setup. So one example being gold. Okay, gold was a very nice example of a cup and handle right over here. So we have the GLD ticker, and this was on like the monthly time frame. So this is another perfect example of a cup and handle pattern that has been forming for months and months. Another example is going to be something like a Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin with a solid cup and handle. We just got that confirmation we broke about. As you guys know, Bitcoin is my longest position. I got my position right over here, but solid cup and handle pattern. Let's take a look at just one last stock, because I really have to give you guys previous examples that we have played, okay, to show you guys what a cup and handle is. So I'm going to go over here in Jemiah, and this stock I've played like a while ago. Okay, this was around 2020, around the COVID era, and I clearly remember this setup. So another example of a clear cup and handle. This looks a lot more like the HIMS setup since it is at that lower time frame, but we could see that we have the the 3 resistance, and then once it broke out, we had that massive breakout to the upside. Now we gotta talk about volume, because again, volume is going to be a huge factor, because volume is showing us how many people are trading it. So let's go back to HIMS right over here, and we can see that the volume is looking incredible, and we can also compare. So I'm going to go back to the weekly time frame. Let's go back to the weekly time frame right over here on HIMS stock, but we could see that volume is going to be everything. Even right over here, before it had this push to the upside of May of this year, look at this volume bar over here. Okay, so this volume bar right over here, and then we had a 72% move on the stock. So volume is going to be interesting, and one way we can see is obviously with the volume indicator, but we have a lot of hype, and this stock is trending all over X and Twitter right now. It's all over in the news right now. We got shortages of a drug, so this is going to be causing more momentum, more hype, more rumors, and just a overall amazing breakout for HIMS, for a potential profit off of shares. Now, what am I going to be doing here in the Discord? If you have been in the Discord, I'm looking to just straight up play shares, or I'm thinking about 1 month out calls, but then I have to take a look at the volatility. But shares is going to be the absolute easy answer. Stop loss close below $25. We're talking about a 20% gain at least on shares alone, with like a 5% stop loss. So this is the main thing right over here. 20% on like $10,000. That is going to be very good. So I'm looking to play shares. Let me know what you guys think in the Discord. How should we play this stock? But overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and notifications on. Make sure to leave a like and follow me on Instagram, and see you guys in the Discord. Bye.